Morning class 8th. Already we have started the first chapter, computer networks. In this chapter we have seen in first period what is computer network, advantages of computer networks, network, hardware. Now today we are going to start types of networks. So types of networks, there are types of networks are LAN, PAN, CAN, MAN, WAN and VLAN. Okay, first LAN, local area network. It is most commonly used network that connects computers and devices that are very close to each other, and LAN give the connection range 1 kilometer up to 1 kilometer, and usually the LAN connection is using now office, buildings, schools, and LAN is a wired network. See in this diagram, one server is here, and that server there are total 4 computers are connected. Okay, example in our computer lab is a one server is there, and teachers section, in teacher section one server is there, and that server the total 10 computers are connected in LAN network. Okay, next is a personal area network. It connects computers and other electronic devices that are in a close proximity range, not more than 10 to 15 meters. Example, personal computer, laptop, printer, fax and mobile. PAN is a wired or wireless network. The best example of PAN is television and remote control. The both, how to control the remote to television, because because of PAN connection, and we are using at mobile the Bluetooth connection, share it, that is a PAN connection. See here in the diagram, there is a one personal computer is there, and the personal computer through PAN connection, they have used a PAN connection here and connected scanner, laptop, mobile, printer. Nowadays we are using a hotspot, that is also PAN connection. Okay, the next, campus area network, CAN. It connects computer and devices which are in a physical area larger than LAN but is a smaller than MAN. Now you have the next concept, MAN, but you know the LAN now. The CAN is a larger than LAN. Example of CAN is university campus, commercial complex, and CAN is a wired network. Okay, so see in this diagram is a one server, and the server is connected building, office building 1, office building 2, office building 3. Okay, take the example of our school, New Vision Public School. In this school we have the, in our campus there are many buildings are there. Okay, the old building, the new building, the hostel, and the D pharmacy, B pharmacy, B.Ed college is there. So in our campus there are 2-3 buildings. So we are connected each other because of CAN connection. So what is CAN connection? In CAN connection we can connect the network in one campus to many areas. Okay, next is a VLAN. What is VLAN? Wireless local area network. Is the same, similar to LAN connection, but it connects computers without use of wire or cables. All the computers and devices are connected with each other. How? Through Wi-Fi. In a short, see in this diagram, through Wi-Fi we are connected server, laptop, okay, computers. Okay, we are using in mobile also Wi-Fi connection. Okay, the router nowadays we can access through Wi-Fi. Okay, so Wi-Fi means, so LAN means the wireless network. Okay, the next, metropolitan area network is a MAN. Okay, it connects computer and devices which are in physical area larger than LAN and is a smaller than WAN. The MAN area network is larger than LAN but is a smaller than WAN, like in a single city. The campus area network is limitation of campus and MAN area network is a limitation of a city, one particular city. Okay, next is metropolitan area network, MAN. It connects computers and devices which are in a physical area larger than LAN but is a smaller than WAN, like in a one city. Okay, the limitation is only one city. In one city we can give the connection to number of buildings. Okay, it is a collection of local area network and MAN is a wired network. See in the diagram there is shown one server is there and office 1 same city, house 1 in same city, house 2 in same city and office 2 in this same city. Okay, the next is WAN. WAN is a wide area network. It connects computers which are very far from each other, as in different cities or even different countries. WAN is a wireless network. Okay, and overall world we can connect with each other using WAN network. See, here is one server and the server is connected to Pune city. Okay, the server is connected to Paris, Rome, London. Okay, so overall world we can connect with each other because of WAN connection. Okay, fact box for you. With advanced of technology nowadays, advanced technology is going on, so we all are using a maximum WLAN connection and know more about the Wi-Fi connection. The Wi-Fi is basically developed for mobile devices such as a laptop exchanging data through a computer network. Now it's widely used in all PCs, smartphones, tablets and digital audio players. Now students, you have the homework of today's class. Make your favorite homework is there. Make one PowerPoint presentation on what is computer network, types of network and network hardware. One small hint for you. Okay, use the smart art option. Where is smart art option in PowerPoint presentation? In insert tab. Okay, why? Because the types of network is there. For types of network you use the smart art and search a Google for network hardware parts. Okay, you will getting the network hardware parts on Google, so you take the help of Google. Okay, thank you.